Today, my husband and I are going to be looking at this VEVOR pole saw. In this video, we're going to show you what comes in the box, demo it for you, and give you our honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own. I love that this is packaged without styrofoam. That's always a plus. Inside the box, you are going to have the actual saw. You're going to have an extendable pole. This is really, really nice because you don't have to assemble it. It's already pre-assembled. You're going to have the battery charger, the instruction manual, a set of gloves, goggles, starter oil, and then the battery itself. This is so cool because you can use this as a handheld or you can add the extendable pole.
Does have an indication window for your chain oil. This is actually pointing the wrong way, which is hilarious. Chain oil, this should be right here. Mm-hmm. But that's okay.
The chain oil is absolutely necessary, so please make sure you fill this before you begin using the pole saw. You can watch the level in the little window as you're filling so you don't overfill it or underfill it. VEVOR does include a nice protective cover for the chain, and then it's very easy to adjust it if the chain ever gets loose. You just use the knob on the side to tighten or loosen the chain.
Battery comes with a battery indicator, right? You're gonna, yep, there, like that. Like so. Safety button, trigger, hand guard.
The handheld option is perfect for palm trees that are within reach. And then you can add the pole if you need to reach something that's further away, say on an oak tree, like we're going to do next.
So that comes off also. Put that underneath your arm, put it on the ground, and then it goes on. Like so. Safety latchet, adjustable. Just push. You're ready to rock and roll. Put the battery back under your arm. That like that. This goes like so. Same as the handheld one, you got a safety button there and a trigger. Hit the safety.
The VEVOR pole saw is extremely easy to use and easy to set up. It's also very lightweight, so it made quick work of the suckers that were growing on our oak tree. The telescopic pole is really nice, so you can have access to the branches that are lower without having a lot of extra room to deal with. And then if you have branches that are higher, you just use the telescopic pole to lengthen it. If you are looking for an easy-to-use, lightweight pole saw, we would highly recommend this one from VEVOR.